to tell you a story. Once upon a time, not so long ago, I knew a boy. There was a boy. There once was a boy. Stop! Wait! Before that, his mother, his father, standing in a field of snow underneath a tree by their front gate at the end of the path leading to the cottage they bought and were proud of. Her hair a heavy noose of gold, his arm around her drawing her close, and, "Oh," she says, "Oh," and sighs as if the entire mass of the world were bearing down upon her. Just one child and I'd be happy. I'd leach the tears from my eyes, hack the hair from my head, spill the blood from my veins. Anything for a child. His father cries. Years pass. Where's Mama? Through the door, down the path, out the gate. She just left. Was it me? What did I do? Or you? Did you do something wrong? Years pass. What did you do to her? His father clears his throat. You've grown so fast, Ren. You were such a beautiful little boy, but now we were so happy when you were born. It was hair as black as coal, skin as white as snow, lips as red as blood. Little boys grow up. There is a ghost in this place. It's written all over your face. You sit in your rocking chair like an old man. Here in this house that we keep, when no one is able to keep, when no one is able to face the ghost in this place. Old man, I am young. Time will not reverse. Old man, I am your son. But am I not also hers? There was a voice in this house. I think that it might have been mine. I think that it nested inside these wooden walls. I don't know if it can be heard, the voice of the littlest bird, but the silence is deafening me. Old man, now there's a lump in my throat the size of a fist, 'cause crying is something I'm trying to resist, and I'm dying inside, and I'm making a list of all of the opportunities missed. I'm done. Oh man, I'm done. I'm gone. Well, I may not find her, but I will find a place where there isn't this stifling, nothing embrace. And you're rocking, chair rocking, and that look on your face, and you're staring at me like you're hating the trace of a smile in my aspect, just haunting this place. And you're rocking, chair rocking, and that look on your face, and I'm chasing the sadness away from this place, and I'm done. I run. Wake and in a bed, arabesques of light, the smell of baking. In the distance, I can hear my face swims, my eyes focus and fix. A girl. A curtain of hair covers her eyes. She draws it aside and back to sleep. I do as she says. Rich dreams of pikelets and blizzards and estuaries and lights burning in the distance, dry leaves and feathers. Wake again. The curtains are open. The breeze drifts in. The leaves outside are fresh and green and soft. And I can hear a radio. Down the stairs, my hand on the rail, the whitewashed walls, empty picture frames, cooking smells, the kitchen. There's that girl. You must be hungry.
Shift. Hey, hi-bye. Shift.
Boots, legs like tree trunks, hair so long and thick you could braid it. I close my eyes.
Get moving.
Voice like a woodcutter.
What are you doing here?
Dying of happiness?
Yeah, well, you can't die here. This is me doorway. I can't get through my front door with you dying there. Find a hostel.
He crouches beside me. It's getting dark. I flinch. He scrapes a match down the side of my face. It sparks. A tiny shared light, brighter than the rest of the world. I study his face. Beard like a woodcutter. Eyes of a girl.
Go home.
I don't have a home. He eyes my hair, my dirty clothes, my arms like twigs, the gold around my neck. I'm Rocky. I pull on my favourite red dress and head to the clearing in the forest where me father and me 6 older brothers are leaning on their axes after a morning chopping wood.
Son,
Says my father.
I see you've come to your senses. Now get that stupid dress off. Pick up an axe and give us a hand, will ya?
I pick up an axe and my eldest brother smirks. I swing the axe hard into the side of a tree and the tree topples!
balls, just like that. Get your dress off, son. I swing again. The trees splinter like matchsticks. Get it off, boy! Thick trunks domino into one another. Boughs and branches crashing, falling. And I don't want to take my dress off. I was born into this with a cutting arm. Born to cut it to bits. Born into a world full of brothers. Born to smash on out of it. And I ain't taking off of this dress, boys. I'm not taking off this dress. I will put all you others to shame, boys. And I won't be removing this dress. I will stop and live violently past you. And I'm not taking off this dress. You will see how a man can defy you. And this man will be wearing a dress. Well, I know that you struggle to grasp this. It's something you plainly detest. That I pick up this axe and I hack with the best. And I do it wearing a dress. I am practiced in axing these trees down. I am practiced in mercilessness. I will not be a victim to nothing, my brothers. And I won't be removing this dress. Well, I know you think felon's a man's work. And a man, he should look like a man. And a man, he should act like a man, boys. With a murderous axe in his hand. Well, it buzzes your poor little brains, boys. Oh, my brothers, it causes you stress. To see me here swinging this axe, boys. And I'm swinging and wearing a dress. Well, it messes your neat little well, boys. It muddles your minds in a mess. To witness me wielding this axe like a beast. And I do it wearing a dress. Oh, a man can be multiple things, boys. Oh, man can be multiple things. A man can be mulish and dogged. Be both grounded and gifted with wings. Oh, a man can be brutal and bloody. Cut a figure and red-blooded ass. A man can be stout-hearted, bearded and blue. Doing my wearing a dress. I was born and raised with an axe, boys. Oh, my brothers, I pass every test. I can fell a whole tree in a plate, boys. Now I'm better than all the rest. I will not be removing this dress, boys. I will not be removing this dress. Can you guess what I'm gonna say next, boys? I won't be removing this dress. My axe can shatter wooden bones. I am invincible alone. A splinter stronger than a tree. Nothing you do can stop me. You cannot take me as I am. Both a woman and a man. Get ready to see me swinging. You better run. I will not be removing this dress. And the door clicked shut behind me. For a moment, I think I'm alone. But a figure, small, in the far corner of the room. I advance cautiously. The figure steps towards me. One step. I reach out my hand. So does the figure. Our fingers touch. Cold glass. A mirror. Except what I'm seeing isn't me. Rocky. A full beard. Dress, shoes,
an axe dangles from one hand. He lifts the axe to draw aside a curtain. It's not him anymore. The girl. She draws aside a curtain and opens a window and looks out at the morning and sighs and sits back down on the empty bed, which is not a bed, but a rocking chair. My father rocks and stares into the empty fireplace. And remnants of ash drifts upwards out of the chimney and turns into snow and begins to fall on a field by a tree. And underneath the tree on her knees is my mother. Her golden hair around her neck, a knife in one hand. Her screaming at the sky, the knife slips! I'll return. I soared, the cold wind bearing me up high. I soared, the clouds all moving, streaks of white. I soared, the earth beneath me, brown and rich. I soared, the river just a smear of blue. I soared, the forest riotous and green. I soared, and I could see it in the distance, in a field of snow. A tree, a front gate, a path leading up to the cottage you bought and were proud of. So here I am. I landed. And the house is the same as it ever was. And you're where I left you all those years ago, still waiting. Who are you waiting for? Can I light the fire, Papa? The sun has shone for so long, shone on your face for so long. The world has turned and spun around since your feet first touched the ground for so long. You've been crying so long, a long sad song for so long. Let go now, let the gentle wind take you to where she's resting. Just hold her hand and sleep with her for so long. I grow old in my own time. Seasons pass, snow and rain and summer, springtime. Years pass. Sometimes I get postcards in the mail, updates from Rocky and the girl. A baby, another. Pictures as they grow. Years pass. Years pass. Years pass. I want to tell you a story. Once upon a time, not so long ago, I knew a boy. There was a boy. There once